It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Easter is an important time of year for me. It's the time of year when I remember that Christ died for my sins and really set me free from the penalty of sin. So I spend time making a wonderful Easter buffet to celebrate with my family, with my friends, anybody who's available to come in. I welcome them. So, how about if you come on in and see what I've prepared for Easter?
Happy Easter to everyone out there. Sometimes for Easter in my family, we start out early with a breakfast buffet or even a brunch. This year, for the brunch, we decided that for a vegan option, our breakfast burritos would be a great choice. We also added hash browns, fruit skewers, and we decided to make fruit smoothies. All of the recipes that we mentioned we will have linked below for everyone to view. Our second option for brunch is going to be our vegan blocks and schmear with bagels, one of our new recipes. Now it's time to find your plate and get in line, because this year we decided to do a buffet for Easter dinner. We have put out a number of vegan options here. We have recipes for all of these on our website, and I am going to go through each one and talk about it. First, we wanted to give you an option for if you are at a place that is not serving vegan food. Many times alongside the ham, you will find a plate of sandwich toppings. Ours happens to have vegan cheese on it, and then we take those and make a nice little sandwich. For our salad option this year, we decided to make our Kale salad with miso ginger dressing. Here are our Hasselback sweet potatoes with pineapple. This is our eggplant rollatini with cashew ricotta. Up next is our vegan macaroni salad. Here is the cilantro ginger tofu, a great dish for springtime in my opinion. Our quick and easy appetizer, asparagus cups, followed by our Oriental carrots. What a delicious dish. Some roasted veggies. We have all of our different pierogi options, and that's leading us to anyone ready for dessert. We've got nut horns and apricot kolaches, raw carrot cake, and to finish it off, we have some of nature's candy, a fruit plate. This year, Easter may not be what most of us are used to. Please take the time to enjoy those who are physically with you, but let's also take time to remember those who have passed and those who are unfortunately stuck at home alone. As always, thank you for watching. I hope this finds you well, and have a blessed Easter.